Look! From this to this, and it's not just that. This, even this.
Hi, vintage and antique lover. In every aged treasure, there are tales whispered through its wear. See here, a tiny fracture, a silent testament to moments long gone. And there, a softened edge, a gentle reminder of countless touches. These are the character lines that make it truly unique. Ah, the anticipation building. This is where the real work begins, you see. Layer by stubborn layer, we're coaxing away the ghosts of the old coating. There it goes. Every last trace must be gone, you understand? Almost there. This preparation, it's everything. Here we go. Like a soft veil, the new hue begins to embrace the old. Patience, my friends. See how smoothly it lays? That's the beauty of this technique, an even, almost seamless transition. And now, a little warmth to encourage the bonding, to set the stage for the next layer. Each step, a loving caress for this aged beauty. Building the depth, little by little. It's a conversation between the old and the new, a gentle merging of eras. Encouraging that perfect marriage of paint and leather. There's a certain rhythm to this, a meditative quality. The color is deepening now, the transformation becoming more apparent with each gentle application. Almost like watching a flower slowly unfurl its petals. Each layer brings us closer to breathing life back into this classic. Remember where we started? The flaking, the wear, it's fading into memory now, replaced by this seamless finish. A testament to the power of patience and a little bit of care. The journey continues. And now, the final embrace. This is where we seal in all our hard work, adding a layer of protection and subtle refinement. Less is more here. A whisper of this magic elixir is all it takes. See how it subtly enhances the color? Adding a depth and richness that wasn't quite there before? This isn't just about looks, though. This layer is a shield, guarding against everyday wear and tear, the little bumps and grazes life throws our way. It's about preserving this transformation for the long haul. Notice that delicate luster? It's not overly glossy, just a refined, elegant finish that complements the vintage character of the bag. Almost there. Every painted surface lovingly coated, ready to face the world anew. This final step, it's like putting the finishing touches on a masterpiece. And there we have it. Sealed, protected, and subtly enhanced. The journey of restoration is almost complete. But this final layer, it makes all the difference.